Beneath the crystal waves of the tropics swims a creature so vibrant it looks like a living rainbow. But don't be fooled by its dazzling colors. This fish is not just beautiful. It's one of the ocean's most important builders. Meet the parrotfish, the silent guardian of coral reefs. With scales shimmering in electric blues, greens, and pinks, the parrotfish looks like it swam straight out of a dream. But its beauty hides a secret superpower, a beak-like mouth as strong as stone. Using this natural tool, the parrotfish scrapes algae and dead coral, turning hard rock into soft white sand. Yes, those white beaches we love so much. Much of that sand once passed through the belly of a parrotfish. Each day, a single parrotfish can produce up to 200 kilograms of sand. That's like building an entire beach, one bite at a time. But their work isn't just about beauty. By cleaning algae off coral, they give reefs the chance to breathe, grow, and survive. Without parrotfish, coral reefs would choke under layers of algae, losing their color, their life, and their magic. Parrotfish are also masters of disguise. Some species can change color and even gender as they grow, starting life as one sex and transforming into another. Others sleep in a slimy bubble of mucus they secrete at night, like a transparent sleeping bag, to hide their scent from predators. Nature's creativity at its finest. They roam the reefs of the Caribbean, the Pacific, and the Indian Ocean, sculpting seascapes, protecting biodiversity, and shaping the sands beneath our feet. But today, these underwater artists face growing threats: overfishing, coral bleaching, and pollution. Losing them means losing the balance of life on the reef. So next time you walk barefoot on a soft, white tropical beach, remember this humble hero beneath the waves. The parrotfish, painter of the reefs, sculptor of the sands, and guardian of paradise.